Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to quickly and efficiently create Twitter content mostly, but this could be done for any sort of writing piece. Essentially speaking, a lot of times, it is far easier for you to speak than it is to type. I like sending voice messages, and you might like to save voice memos, with yourself and whatnot. A lot of people even use Telegram for that. You can send yourself messages, but a really great way to do that also is you can send the voice message on Telegram, run it through an automation, get the transcription, and then immediately get that transcription sent back to you. Run that transcription through a GPT prompt if you want to make a video script on it or other content pieces, depending on what you're working on with. But essentially, a lot of times people's best pieces are not things that have been scheduled. They're things that they came up in that specific moment. Some of the people's greatest videos I've seen and greatest tweet that they performed came off the dome. They just came in that moment. So you might not be able to actually sit there, have an idea for something. Oh yes, but and you're sitting there typing, but you're also doing other things, and you don't want to distract yourself too much from work or whatever else you got going on around you. And a great way is to simply either record that voice memo, save it, right? Just hurry up, get the thought out, save the voice memo, then upload it to a Google Drive. Later, run it through an automation, or what you can do is simply send it to yourself on Telegram, and then when you run the automation, all you do is click run, and it'll just pick up the existing data that's been saved in the chat. So that's what I'm going to do right now, actually, and I'm going to show you. So you use something called the bot father on Telegram, and you just create a new bot. So like you see media right there, yeah, media. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll show you the automation real quick. So here we have the automation. So the Telegram bot watches the updates. You connect the ID to it. You download the file. Then it creates a transcription. And I have it recently just to test. Send me that transcription right away. Because sometimes I record something very specific, almost word for word. That's exactly what I want to tweet. I want it to come across as natural, as just as I would have been typing it. However, other times, there's a specific video prompt that can create a good hook and a good build-up for a long-form tweet, as well as a video script. So I like to experiment and try that with both as well. So this prompt here comes from my friend Omar School. It's called the HAVPC framework. So it's like hook, amplifier, value, promise, call to action. It's a pretty long prompt, but it takes the transcription and does that, uploads it to Google Docs so I have it saved, and then sends me a link to view it in the Telegram so I get notified once it's been completed. So we could do an example right here. What's something we could do? What am I thinking? Let me record. Essentially speaking, there are multiple ways to repurpose content. All depends on what you're starting with. You can go from audio to text. That text can create more text, such as a tweet, article, Medium, LinkedIn, Facebook. There are avenues of which you could have the video. The video can be transcribed. That transcription can create writing pieces. You can take the audio of a video, then transcribe, and then create different content pieces as well. You can create other video scripts off of a video. There's multiple ways of going back and forth. I suggest whatever you're comfortable with the most. If you are a writer and you're constantly tweeting and you enjoy that, record as much as you can, talk, filter out your ideas, save those messages. You can run it through Telegram, and you can repurpose that content as well. There's multiple different things that you can do. A lot of times, however, we just don't have the moment to sit there and type out everything, but we can save our thoughts, save our ideas, record conversations. As another cool thing that you can do is whether you're talking with a prospect or you're just bouncing ideas off with a friend, like I've done recently, made a whole YouTube video on that as well. There's just different ways of purposing through that. So by simply just recording this audio message, getting it transcribed, boom, I'm able to save what I was thinking in that moment in time, as well as get video ideas, scripts, and different repurposed content automations out of it. So just sent it. I'll show you here. We just click run once, use existing data, and boom. It's been downloaded. So it's getting transcribed. I actually just got texted the whole transcription. Now it's running through the prompt, being sent to Google Docs, and I just got sent as well the Google Doc link to view it. So I have the whole transcription here. So I could just copy and paste this, right, and make a few edits on Twitter. And what I'll do is I'll click the script. Yeah. So I got the script here on my Google Doc using the HAVPC framework. Ever feel like your brain is bursting with ideas, but by the time you sit to write, it's all gone? Imagine capturing every golden thought effortlessly. Imagine transforming a single conversation into an arsenal of engaging content, sparking reactions across all your favorite platforms. And guess what? It's shockingly easy. Let me unveil a seamless trick, the art of content repurposing. First, grab your phone and hit record. Speak your ideas out loud. This could be during a chat with a friend or by brainstorming solo session. Now here's the magic. Transcribe that audio. From this transcription, you create everything. Tweets that catch fire, LinkedIn posts that your network loves, insightful Medium articles, and even scripts for more videos. It's content multiplication from a single source. And if you're constantly tweeting or posting, turn those thoughts into recorded audio snippets. Use simple tools like Telegram for easy transcription. Just like that, from one audio, generate a treasure trove of content without ever feeling stuck behind the keyboard. And so by leveraging this technique, and then there's a promise section, and essentially you make whatever call to action you want to make. But boom, that's a whole video I just made. It's a whole short form video I just showed you, right? And again, decent script. You can add your own few tweaks and whatnot. But that's essentially all you need to do for this automation. And one second. Okay. And yeah, so if you're looking to implement more like that, check out some of my other videos. These templates are very simple to build. I'm looking to build a newsletter and a Telegram to share these insights and be able to share some of these templates with you people as well. That way you guys can throw them into your content making process and simplify the entire thing as much as possible for you, right? If you like to talk, boom, just talk. Transcription. The only thing that you got to tweak is the prompts. I use the powerful one like you just saw for that video script, but you can run it through Claude and get different prompts. Claude is very underrated for the copy and whatnot, and you could, experiment one transcription, 3 different prompts for a video script. See which video script comes out the best, right? One transcription, LinkedIn, Medium, tweet, Facebook, right? See which one comes out the best, and then, or if you like them all, boom, save it. And then retweak anything you need to, and then upload to all platforms. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate y'all time and hope you enjoy.